Ahoy mateys, Captain Jack Scrapper here. Today is Sunday, February 9, 2020. It's about 1:45 in the afternoon. The Daytona 500 has been on for a little while. I haven't had a chance to really watch it. Busy doing some other stuff, but now I'm on the road. I happen to be in Sparta right now at the West Coast station. Just got what I need here, and I am going to, believe it or not, go to Rockford, and I'll take you along with me. I need to go to a grocery store over there that has a better selection of meat than the one here in town. So, taking you along on the ride. Hopefully it won't be too noisy, and I'll take you a little bit different direction than what you've seen before, I hope. Okay, here we go. Looking good. Seatbelt on. Everybody's bundled up today. The temperature's not too bad. It's 30, but it's snowing like crazy. We're supposed to get 4 to 5 inches tonight, and it started already. Like I said, it's going on 2 o'clock. Okay, we are southbound on Sparta Avenue. And we're going to take it up to 12 Mile. We've been on 12 Mile before, but from a different direction. We're going to go east on 12 Mile. I was kind of wishing the Mel Trotter was open on Sundays. I need to get another blanket for that green screen problem I'm having. But I might be able to come up with something at home that'll work. Gas here in town is $2.13. It's pretty good. I haven't seen it that low in a couple weeks. And it did not jump up on Fridays like it usually does. So, I don't know what's going on with gas prices. There's where the AutoZone is being built. Okay, we're eastbound on 12 Mile. We're going to take it down to Old Alpine. And then we're going to go down to 10 Mile. And then we'll get on 10 Mile and head to Rockford. The outskirts of Rockford. Wow. Okay, come on, Bessie. Going downhill, honey. Almost. Okay. There. That'll quiet it down a little bit. In 5th gear, going downhill. And hopefully everybody can hear me. I've got that little strap arranged so it's not clicking on the camera. Okay, everyone. Across the railroad tracks. It's feet up. Good luck. I did it. We'll get to cross those tracks again in just a couple minutes. Let's see, are you level? I guess you're level. Level enough. They salted the intersections. Whoa! Damn it! Pump the brakes. It's slippery. Dang it. Okay, here we go. Decorations are still up. Might stop there a minute, just for fun. It's Christmas decoration. I know they won't be turned on, but maybe I can just pull in this driveway a minute and show you. We talked about doing that the other day. Mark is he's a cool guy. I've talked to him a few times. I've been to a couple different picnics at his house. So a whole lot of people. A lot of fun. I wanted to turn here and we're not to March yet. Well, another day I guess. We'll go down that way another day. I already just promised you Marks. If I don't have too much traffic behind me. Here we go. This is Mark's, and he's our local Jeep guy. Jeep Club. Can you see that? I think that is so cool. Got the big old Jeep Power Wagon, whatever you want to call that, with Santa, and then that's hooked up to the next Jeep, and then the next Jeep, and then the next Jeep, and then he has it all lit up at Christmas time. He's done this a couple years in a row. Oh, and at Halloween, he lights it up for Halloween too. But instead of Santa, he's got a big, you know, statue of the Grim Reaper. That's pretty cool. All right, that was Mark's. He's probably out in the garage working. Or no, I bet I know where he's at. He's watching the Daytona 500. Okay, wait for traffic. Here we go. Yeehaw! As Catfish Terry would say. Yeehaw! Watching Catfish Terry, he had a live stream going a little while ago. A lot of fun, that guy. Catfish Terry. If you don't have him on your friend subscriber list, you might want to go and check him out. Pretty cool guy. So we're getting the snow. About 30 this way. In 1932, my mom and dad lived just up the street from here. I'm sure Dad found that convenient. He could walk down here. About a half a mile from here is where he and Mom got their first house in this area. My parents hailed from the Detroit area. Dad was from Detroit, and Mom was from Plymouth. My sister pointed this out to me, I don't know, a few years ago, and I never knew. I had no idea that Mom and Dad lived here. It's up here just past Division. But anyways, yeah, my sister she says she barely remembers the house, and then they moved to Hudsonville when she was like 3.5 years old. And that's where she was raised and I was raised as well. My sister is older than me. She calls me her big brother. It's the other way around. I got so much traffic behind me, it's ridiculous. So I won't be able to point the camera once we cross Division here. But just after we cross Division, the second house, old farmhouse, 2-story, it sits pretty close to the road. You might be able to just barely pick it up right now. That's where Mom and Dad and my sister lived back in the... She was born in 36, so yeah, right around there. Okay, going downhill, I'm going to try 5th gear. There's the road commission. I think that's cool that the road commission, they switched over those green flashing lights. So you know who is on the road when there's a green flashing light. It's like they're going to go back down, no, he's putting out his wide blade. Oh yeah, he's going to go back down Krupp. Okay. That unique bridge. But we're going to go forward. We're going to go east a few more miles. Seems like every week in the morning during rush hour, you hear Pine Island Division, a fender bender, guys are working hard today, and they're going to keep working all day. Yeehaw! Catfish Terry would say. Now we got shit. Well, not shit. Now we got a crummy windshield. I guess I can clean it off when I get. I can stop at the Myers gas station up here, clean the window. Might as well see what their gas price is too. I could have got it at Wesco, but there was such a lineup for $2.13. I said, I'll wait. And I probably should get some. I seem to be using a little bit more today than I normally do. So we'll make everybody chuckle. I'll stop at the Myers and get $5 worth of gas. Maybe I'll get 6. Just for fun. Okay, we are coming up on where Algoma Avenue starts. Algoma Avenue starts at 10 Mile. I think I've mentioned that before in some of my videos. And it runs north all the way to the end of the county. It ends at 22 Mile. And it's a busy road. A lot of people take Algoma. We are crossing over 131. Michigan 131. And if this truck ran better, I'd take you on 131 because it's actually rather pretty for an expressway view, but there's some big long vistas. Okay, Myers is 225 well. I could have turned in there, but usually you can't because there's way too much traffic. 225, diesel's 275. Huh, that's like 4 cents lower than I've seen it. But yeah, we'll get some fuel, and I'll sign this off. You don't need to see me shopping. And maybe if I want, I can do part 2 on the way home. Maybe we'll take Algoma. Yeah, we'll do a part 2 here today. We'll take Algoma after we leave the Meyer store here, where I'm going to get some bacon and some bread, and something else will probably pop out at me. Yeah, might as well pick up a 6-pack. Do it here, that way I don't have to stop at the party store by the house. I can do a little short video on Algoma, take you up to 13 Mile, and then we'll end it there. I feel like I've been kind of long on my videos. You know, 23 minutes. I don't know if anybody sticks around for the whole video or not. Maybe they do. I know Todd usually does. Frederick Heron, Mary Cox, and there's a few other people. I know they watch the whole thing because they make comments that is obvious to me that they watched it all. So I think that's pretty cool that I've got such loyal subscribers, friends that do that. Wow, it's busy here. Oh, look at all these people. Looks like I can get over here to this pump. Probably should think about getting some salt, but nah, not today. I got a little bit left at home. Okay. Here we go. Try not to make you dizzy. Whew. Anyways, this is Captain Jack Scrapper signing off. I hope that if you're not subscribed, would you please subscribe? Would love that. And give me a thumbs up if you like it. And if you'd like to share with your friends who like to drive along. This is not my only style of video, but lately it has been because it's just been too nasty to work on the schoolie, or, you know, I've got some scripts and I've been playing with the live stream stuff. I'll be working on the green screen situation this afternoon. But anyways, mateys, fair winds and smiles, and may God bless. Talk to you later. Good afternoon.